On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to make your own kenkey at home using my mom's special fancy kenkey recipe. First thing I did is to boil some water and set aside. Next, I'm going to be mixing the corn dough. So I used 1 cup of water and 1.5 cups of corn dough, and then I mixed everything together. Make sure that it's mixed properly and there are no lumps. You should be getting this consistency. If you think it's too thick for you, you can add a bit of water, but this is just how I like it. I'll be using 1 cup of water to start the process. So I'll take away all the excess water and set aside. I'm going to use this later on, so make sure you don't throw it away. Then we're going to add the corn dough mixture slowly. Stir as you add so that it doesn't develop any lumps. From this point onwards, you keep stirring it till it becomes hard, then you start driving it. Make sure it's on low heat, low or medium heat, so that it doesn't burn. As you can see, the consistency is becoming thicker, so at this point, you start driving it. You'll be driving this for about 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes very firm, and you're going to add some of the hot water we set aside and cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. Once the water boils over, we are going to stir everything together and drive it further for it to be well combined. Then we're going to take this off heat and then continue with the process. Once this is well combined, you've driven it for about 5 minutes, you can take it off heat and then we can add some of the corn dough mixture we made at the beginning of the video. I added about half of my measuring cup to it. You can add more if you want. And then I'm going to combine everything properly till it becomes very well combined. Once it's well combined, I'm going to transfer all that into a bowl and then we're going to further drive it. This is because we want it to be very soft and smooth when it's cooked. Now to the mold, you're going to place 1 large plantain leaf on a flat surface. Next, fold 1 small plantain leaf on top of that and place another small one on top of it. Next, place a scoop of the kenkey onto the 3rd plantain leaf and then wrap it as you see on the screen. Next, fold a small portion of the first plantain leaf on the surface and then put the wrapped kenkey on top of it. So we're going to take the first plantain leaf on the surface and then take it from the edge and wrap it around the kenkey as you can see on the screen. Once you're done turning it, gather all the excess leaves and then push it back into the kenkey. We are finally done wrapping the kenkey.